Hi, my name is Aria and I'm in 7th grade. My wonderful magic mentor is named Himica. Himica works at Spry Health and she writes code for medical devices. These medical devices are used to monitor patients. She's originally from India but lives here in Palo Alto. In her free time, she likes to read, bike, go to the beach, bake, and cook. She likes to eat pizza and drink coffee, and recently she won Best Chef at Work. She helped me launch the website for my project and also helped me learn many different things about computer science. My project is called Did You Know, and it is a creative and interactive trivia game that educates people on the problems in the world. I chose this project because to me it is important that everyone knows all about the world of laws and for people to get encouraged to take right action for a better world. The website allows you to answer questions, and these questions are divided into 4 categories. You get scores depending on if your answers are correct. I enjoy computer science and I want to explore JavaScript too, so I incorporate that coding language into my project. My first milestone in Did You Know was creating a calculator using HTML and JavaScript code. For future work on Did You Know, I plan to incorporate hints and points for uses on my project and possibly avatars. Magic has been a terrific experience and I've learned so many concepts in coding languages. To name a few, creating an HTML calculator, learning how to debug code using the console, which is a screen where bugs show up, creating arrays and using them, writing if-else conditions, using JSONs, and so much more. I really enjoyed calculating the score for quizzes, searching for questions for different categories, and creating my logo. It was difficult at first to understand the arrays and loops, but then when we worked on them, I got a complete understanding of them. Working on Did You Know helped me get interested in programming and computer science. In my HTML calculator, you can guess a calculation, and these screenshots show what it looks like when the answer is correct or incorrect. You first enter 2 numbers in the first 2 boxes. Then you can choose whether you want to guess numbers multiplied, divided, added, or subtracted. The correct or incorrect image will appear instantly. Here are examples from what code you can see on the website. The first one is the elements part. This tells the user all of the code there is to write the website. The user can then temporarily change it, but once the page reloads, the changes will go away. The console shows the user mistakes, aka bugs in the code, so you know what to change. This is part of the code from the DMS website. And there's no errors. This is my homepage. This is my homepage demo. As you can see, it shows all the categories for the questions. It also gives a short introduction about my project. The categories are ocean, guns, LGBTQ, and rights. If I have time, I'll go back to that link. Oh, this link. These are the quiz login and sign up pages. Once the user signs up, it takes them to the login page. I did this to remember their login information. I plan to integrate my project into a database to store the information put in forever. This is one of my question pages in the website. As you can see, when the answer is correct, it will turn green. When the answer is incorrect, it will turn red. Additionally, when the answer is right, the score increases by 1. In conclusion, I have learned so much new code and coding languages. I also feel much more confident in computer science, and this magic experience has overall been beyond amazing.